Welcome to Richpeace CAD software online lessons. Today teach you shortcut key. First, press Ctrl and O to open a new pattern file. Then next we can press Ctrl and R to recreate the green lines. Here we can choose all patterns of style and by each kind direction. Next we can press F12 to make all patterns hung up. Of course, we can press Ctrl and F12 to make all patterns down to the work area. Next, we can press Ctrl and A to save as the pattern file. Okay. Next, we can press Ctrl and N to create a new pattern file. Okay, finish. Thanks for watching today's video. See you tomorrow.